Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is well. I have today for you guys a unboxing. A company called Globleland, reached out to me and asked me if I would review some of their products. Now, if you guys remember correctly, there was a product review that I did this summer, and I didn't realize, of the 6x6 paper pads. It is the same company, except the one I did was, I didn't realize who it was. It was more of an Amazon thing, so it is still the same thing. But Globleland reached out, and I was able to pick 5 things, or things under $40, and they would send them to me and I get to review them. So there will be a couple videos that I go ahead and do stuff with the things I picked. I don't really remember what I picked. I have opened it already, but then I'm like, I'm not going to do it. And then, so let's get started. So they did give me a code, Globleland, and I will link them down below. And the code to get 10% is my name with the 10 behind it. So, and I will link all that stuff down below. And what is all over me? Sorry guys, I was crafting. So here we go. Let's open it. And I did already purchase some things for them before I even got this. I actually got my purchase stuff before I got this stuff. So I went ahead and picked some dies. Let's see what this one is. So this is what their package looks like. Okay, let's open this one and let you see. And here is the number right there. And let's open this. And okay. This part is to make a gnome. There's like the hats and there's the beard. So we can make different gnomes for different part of the holiday. It's mostly for St. Patrick's Day, of course. And then good luck. So we're going to try these out and maybe do a card or two, or an ATC would be a good thing to do. So there is that one. And I'm going to put it back in here so I don't forget what they are. So I did that one, and I could have done Christmas and all that stuff, but I figured with the holiday coming that would be to do something with the holiday. And see, you get a package list that comes with it, every order, because I got the other one. I did get 4 items. Okay, the next one, like, this is the same package. I'm gonna move this out of my way. Open this one, and here is the number. And I don't know if you can put the number in. I haven't tried that yet. I'm just showing you the number just in case. And then on this one, is a die that you could put so you can make a card for Happy Easter. And then, look at it, cute. Yes, I'm into gnomes. We all know it. I wasn't before. Now, I don't like garden gnomes with the eyeballs. Just can't have that. But we're going to test these out. Maybe do a couple cards with this one and ATC. But I will get out my little machine and I will cut it on when I do my video and everything, so we can see exactly what actually, how they cut and everything else. Here's the other dice set. I liked it because it's like the stamp look. So, oh, sorry. There you go. There's that. Let's open this. Why this is like this, I don't know. But you have like the ticket one. And then you can make like little postage stamps. There's that one. Or this one. So we'll try that out. We'll make some little postage stamps and stuff, maybe for friend mail. Okay, this drives me nuts. I'm gonna have to fix that when I to get off camera because I can't handle this. Oh, it has to go the same way. So I thought that was pretty nice. And everything that I bought was actually pretty nice. And I will say that I think most of this was under $5-6. Okay, this is the whole pack. These are shapes. And I figure with doing cards, you'd want to do shapes or something. So let's put, oh, and I will show you in just a minute. This is the code. Okay. And this is how it came. Oh my goodness. Oh, cool. Alright. Alright, let's see which ones what I have here. Alright. So, here is one of the nesting dies. And this is just regular cut. There's no stitching around this one. Okay, and then there's this one. Oh, crap. And that has stitching, which I think is kind of cool still. See, if you wanted to, like, we could cut these out like this, and we could just make little frames. That'd be cool. Be cool before you even do it. And there is this one. Again, the stitching is around it. And I wish it would tell me how much it was on these, and I don't remember how much it was. Well, if it was 4 items, that had to have been under my under $40. So I think this one was the biggest that I had. I think this might have been $8, $9. But for all these dies, very nice, right? And this is what I did. When I went to do this, and I will say this, this is like sponsored or whatever, because like they gave these to me to review, which I will be doing, and be doing 2 videos, figuring out which ones I want to do more of. Oh my goodness, you know what, I'm not pulling that out. Is what I will be doing. But I want to show you something before I let you guys go. I will put the code, I will put the link down below. But, so this is what I got from them to review. Okay? And it come like this, and it was all taped up. So, I mean, the dies are not going to get moved or anything else. But, I ended up buying a whole bunch of stamps. And these showed up before them. So I will be doing another video with that. But there was like a delay on this, and it was so cool. They have awesome customer service. It's already a plus for me because they were behind, and they emailed me and said, we're sorry. Something came up, and they explained. We took care of it. You know, like there was a stamp set that was unavailable. So they wanted to know if I wanted this other one, and it looked about the same. I'm like, sure. And they gifted me another one for my inconvenience, which is really cool. So, this is what we're going to be working on for the next couple of days. So, there you guys go. Globleland. The link will be down below. I do have a 10% code. I would say about 15 days. Like, really, it wasn't too bad of a shipping time. I mean, I was thinking more over a month, and it actually wasn't. So, just to let you know that. Alright guys, that is all I have for you. I hope you guys have a great day. Until next time, please stay safe and keep crafting. And bye for now.